How to enable motion smoothness on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you enable 120Hz refresh rate in order to get a smoother experience from your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to experience motion smoothness, you just need to open up the settings app from a Samsung Galaxy phone first, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and then go and tap on display, and inside the display you just need to scroll down again a little bit and you'll get to see the option motion smoothness. You just need to go ahead and tap on these and you'll get to see two different options available. Standard is currently selected with the 60Hz screen refresh rate. This is kind of slow, so we have to just to select the highest one. This is actually enable the 120Hz screen refresh rate. You can go ahead and tap on apply, and from now you'll get a smoother experience from your phone with the 120Hz refresh rate. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.